Naked and Funny Cafe is known for its breakfast all-day specials. Today's special is pancakes, which is what Rupert here is about to order. But waitress Brittany is the queen of the upsell, so now Rupert's thinking about waffles or canned hams. Plate of harvest melons? At this point, I think he'd order a side of beef if Brittany recommended it. Brittany is more than happy to explain the menu to her customers who always seem to be unable to focus on the menu whenever she's around. It's hard to decide on lunch when dessert is staring you right in the face. Would you like some cream with your coffee? If any of these guys were asked to repeat what Brittany just said, it's a good guess that they would ask, "Is she talking?" It's rare that you feel like tipping the waitress before you get your food. These guys are ready to sign their property right over to Brittany and her 2 tracts of land. So kids, we caught you looking. But honestly, with those things in front of you, there's probably nothing else you can do. In fact, I think I'll take a peek right now myself. Not at you, sir.